Welcome to the web application. This is the first tutorial where I'll walk you through all the intro. This is our banners. You can refresh the page to see that it will choose any banner you have at random. Here's our nav. The main nav will go away if it's not being hovered upon, just to save some space. This is the intro for our couple. They can place in their stories, some images, any kind of details they'd like to convey about how they met. These are the events. You can put as many events as you like in there. You've got any details with location, what to wear, so on and so forth. Now, if you choose it's going to be the actual ceremony, that date will actually show up over here as well. And any of these events are basically going to be tied in, so whatever thing's going on, and then just you tailor it to fit. Now, within the RSVP, we're going to have things that can be pre-populated when you send out the email to someone. You got F name, L name, phone, and email, all representing a field here, in which case it will pre-populate if you decide to do that in the URL. This pop-up works directly with the events. So whatever event you show up in your events layout is going to show up with this pop-out. You're going to go ahead and have any accommodations and any other details that will basically be sent out to any number of recipients. And once the recipient receives this information, then they can log into the admin and fill out the appropriate forms to get the attendees into the attendee application. And here's all your wedding party. And we also have a registry where you just simply put in a logo and you put in the link to where you want them to go to purchase registered items. Here's your gallery. It's very basic. Any images you'd like to put in, you can put as many images as you'd like. It's at the bottom, so it won't kind of get in the way of the rest of the stuff. Our blog is going to be located here, and this is tied into Google's Blogger. So we're utilizing their security, we're utilizing their comments, all the activities being used in Google, and I'm just piggybacking along with their application. And the most important part of this whole website is the fact that it has a content management system. Now, I'm not going to immediately walk through all of it. I'm just going to introduce you to where you would access it. As you can see here, all your content management can be located here, except for the blog, which you would have to log into Google to get to. This is where you would change your theme, and we have up to 4 themes available right now. All you need to do is you'll click, and you can see the website change in real time. And they're not saved until you actually hit save. Now, we do have any number of options here. And let's just say I happen to like 2. Well, then I just hit save, and 2 will be the one that everyone sees. We've got a little bit more details, just kind of introduce you to this application, some explanation of what it is. I've got tutorial videos located here. Now, you don't have to watch them all at once. But when you get to the section, if you want to know some details, obviously it'll get into the details of each section. Now, here's our attendees. This attendees page handles everybody who's signed up. Everybody who's coming, all their details and what they'll be doing is here, all their accommodations. If you're interested in finding out how I wrote all this, every single function, everything is written here in great detail. And you can hunt down specific items, or you could look at all of it depending on what you want. But I want to make sure that you understand how this thing's written in case you ever want to modify it. As you can see, we can scope around and do whatever we'd like in the admin, and then also you can log out.